Hello, dear students. I welcome you all to the Unib Mentors online platform, Unib Mentors Law Entrance Test Prep segment, that is CLAT Crime Tutorial. So I welcome you all again. We are here with the CLAT 2020 exam analysis as the paper is now over. So you must be happy because finally the paper exam is over. But again, we'll talk about the exam paper. Was this because this was on the changed pattern? This was on the new pattern. So how was the paper in comparison to the sample paper which was released? So we'll be discussing one by one in detail. And हम ये भी बात करेंगे क्या what could be the expected cutoff or कितनी how many questions could be the good attempt, right? So we'll talk about the detailed analysis. Anyway, but if you see the paper, there were surprises, right? In CLAT 2020, there were shockers actually in comparison to sample paper. That's what we have been even discussing with all of you, most of the students. That's what the conclusion we came to, that there were shockers. There were the surprises in the paper. The paper was, there were the passages which were even very lengthy, even very longer, in comparison to sample paper passages. That's what the students have been saying. That's what you found. But anyway, on that note, let's talk about the detailed analysis now. So let's start the paper analysis. See, as we asked with our students, we have been discussing what was the first impression. I asked most of our students that what was their first impression after seeing the paper, because this was on the changed pattern. This was the first paper on the changed pattern, on the new pattern. So what was their first impression after seeing the paper? Was it difficult? Was it lengthier? Was it good? Was it on the expected line? How will what would be the first? What was the first impression after seeing the paper? So majority of you, and even we all agree, majority of the students have been saying. So the first impression was very lengthy. The paper was very, very, very lengthy actually. Even some segments were difficult. That's what the most of the students have been saying. The first impression. So even the students who attempted current affairs and GK section first, they were saying that the paper was difficult, sir. So this was the first impression of the most of the students. We asked another question to our students, and हम discuss कर रहे होते हैं students के बीच में, और we faculty even discuss that. जैसा कि हमने एलिट पेपर में दो वर्ड पूछा था, what would be the two word which defines the paper. On the similar line, we asked everyone and we discussed what could be the three words which define the whole paper. So after discussion, we came to conclusion with the students and even some सारे faculties भी. बातचीत के बाद हम इस conclusion पे पहुंचे हैं कि जो हमारा CLAT 2020 का पेपर है, अगर हम इसे 3 words में define करने की बात करें, 3 words actually about the exam, about this paper, CLAT 2020. The very first word is reading. Some of students have been saying even reading, reading, and reading, because whole CLAT 2020 paper, CLAT 2020 exam was all about reading. If you are equipped, well equipped, if you're very good at reading, if you know how to read and comprehend and answer critical reading and all, you can answer all the segments, all the sections. That's what most of the students have been saying. But again, after the discussion, we came to conclusion that it was all about reading plus reading comprehension. But the reading RC questions were not only in the limited to the English section, even the legal reasoning section. Most of the students have seen this, whoever appeared in the paper, that even the legal reasoning section, sorry, I'm really sorry, the logical reasoning section was the extension of the English section. That too, even the logical reasoning section has the passages which were more like English sections. If you know a little bit of critical reading, you'll be able to answer that question. There was nothing hardcore critical reasoning, though whole the passage was logical reasoning section, was the passages were the critical reasoning based, but there was nothing very, not very deep critical reasoning stuff there into it. If you're good at reading, if you good at reading, if you know the critical reading, if you understand the passage, read fast and comprehend it better, you'll be able to answer even the logical reasoning section. So it was all about reading and reading comprehension. On the similar line, third word which defines the paper is current affairs. जीके और करंट अफेयर्स का सेक्शन जो था वो तो था ही करंट अफेयर्स से रिलेटेड, और वो दैट वाज वन ऑफ द toughest segment, section. That's what we all agree on, that the GK and current affairs in CLAT 2020 exam was one of the, that was the toughest section actually. The questions were trickier, the passages were lengthier, though it was all based on the current affairs. और करंट अफेयर्स हम सब काफी कुछ करते रहते हैं क्लास में, बच्चे भी बहुत, यू ऑल एक्चुअली कीप स्टडिंग करंट अफेयर्स, बट स्टिल जीके और करंट अफेयर्स का जो हमारा सेगमेंट था, जो हमारा सेक्शन था, दैट वाज टफेस्ट, बट even the legal reasoning section was the extension of current affairs, because most of the questions in legal reasoning section were based on the current affairs, right? If you have a little bit basic understanding of the legal concepts, some legal concepts, easy one even, easy concepts, as you see the strict liability, absolute liability, and all these all stuff were there. But if you have basic understanding of the legal concepts, even the legal reasoning section was the extension of current affairs, because most of the passages were based on the current issues, right? So that is the reason we defined, actually with, after the discussion, we came to conclusion that there are three words which could define the paper, the CLAT 2020 exam paper, that is reading comprehension and current affairs. If you're equipped with these three sections and you know which section to select first and which section to select later, no one can stop you from making it to CLAT 2020 exam. That's what defines the paper. Anyway, coming back to now, let's come to the elaborate discussion now, elaborate, detailed analysis. So one by one. So before we go to section wise analysis, हम थोड़ी सी बात CLAT 2020 highlights papers की highlights की भी कर लेते हैं, थोड़े highlights भी हम discuss कर लेते हैं. Reason being कि this was based on the new pattern, right? So we all know, so CLAT 2020 was the first time based on the new pattern, where the passages based questions were there, 150 questions based on passages. So this was the first paper which was based on this new pattern, and this was a computer based test, unlike the previous one, because changes hote rahe hain filhal to 2008 CLAT 2008 se 14 it was a pen paper based test for 7 editions, and from 2015 to 2018 it was the computer based test, and in 2019 CLAT was held again a paper based test, pen and paper based test, after the Supreme Court's intervention. So we all know there has been changes, but this time this happened a computer based test. This was a computer based test. And the second point is actually हम previous year papers के बारे में कुछ बात करें, that is irrelevant. So past paper अभी के जो हमारा एग्जाम CLAT 2020 के एग्जाम एनालिसिस करते समय हमारी जो पास्ट ईयर पेपर हैं उनकी एनालिसिस irrelevant है, just because this paper was completely on the new pattern. इसलिए हम पास्ट ईयर्स पेपर्स के बारे में और पास्ट ईयर्स कट ऑफ के बारे में इन सब चीजों की बात उतनी ज्यादा नहीं कर रहे होंगे इस एनालिसिस में, because that is irrelevant, that has no basis anyway, right? One more thing, once the answer key is out, you keep that in mind, that you'll get only one day to report the question, right? To challenge the question. There was, you all know that there have been some discrepancies in few questions in the quantitative section, right? So that's the reason I'm saying that in the very beginning, in the highlight, that you'll get one day if you want to challenge the question, and you must actually, there were the errors into three questions, so you must challenge. You'll get only one day. So now let's do the section wise analysis. Now, again, before we go to section wise analysis, हम थोड़ी सी top 5 NLUs के number of seats और इन सारे matrices की बात कर लेते हैं, क्योंकि वैसे भी top 5 NLUs पहले number of seats कितनी है ये सारी बातें हम थोड़ी जान लेते हैं. Then we'll move to the section wise analysis and we'll discuss about the good attempts and expected cutoff for top 3 NLUs, top 5 NLUs and top 10 NLUs. अगर हम top 5 NLUs के number of seats और इन सारी matrices की बात करें तो you all know NLS Bangalore has 80 seats. Again, 62 is for general category, and SCs have 12 seats, and SCs have 6 seats. And Nalsar Hyderabad has 120 seats. So again, there will be the seats will be divided in general category, SC, STs, and OBCs. There will be reservation. And then NLU Jodhpur has 80 seats. So total around 280 seats in the top 3 NLUs. Some of you might consider the NUJS Kolkata. Again, let's talk about NUJS Kolkata has 80 seats again. So 280 there and 80 here again. So this will be the 360 seats from the top 4 NLUs. And then you have this Gujarat National Law University, Gandhinagar. It has 156 seats. So it will be around total 500 plus seats in the top 5 NLUs, right? That's what you're aiming if you're aiming top 5 NLUs. So इसी लाइट में हम डिस्कशन कर रहे होंगे आगे की, कट ऑफ भी हम इसी तरह से बात करेंगे, एक्सपेक्टेड अटेम्प्ट भी हम इसी तरह से बात करेंगे, गुड अटेम्प्ट. That's how we'll discuss. So let's talk about the now paper. So CLAT 2020 paper was again based on the new pattern, the passages based questions, 150 questions. अगर हम section wise बात करें तो English language, which was, you can say, one of the that was the easiest section actually in CLAT 2020 paper, right? It has 30 questions, 30 marks, and 6 passages. The passages were lengthier, no doubt. Passages were lengthier, but they were doable and they were easy. So if you can read quickly and you practice it actually on the new pattern, so you can say the English section was the easiest, that you can answer. But we have marked this moderate just because it was little, lengthier. That's the reason. Otherwise, this was easy, the most easiest section in all the sections. So English section. Now, coming back to the second section, that was general knowledge, GK, and current affairs. This was actually the toughest section, right? most of you, we all agree actually on that. So GK and current affairs was the toughest section in this CLAT 2020 paper. The students who have been doing current affairs, who are very good at current affairs and even the GK section, even they have been saying that ये वाला section बहुत ही difficult था, बहुत lengthy passages थे, questions भी tricky थे, जिस तरह से पूछा था बार बार पढ़ना पड़ रहा था, इस तरह से segment था, तो ये सबसे ज़्यादा difficult segment section था और उसमें time भी ज़्यादा लगा. 7 passages थे, 36 questions were there, but this was one of the toughest section. So some of you जिन्होंने GK और current affairs वाले section को पहले attempt किया होगा, they must have been caught off guard. उनके लिए थोड़ा सा नेगेटिव है क्योंकि ऑब्वियसली उनको बहुत डिफिकल्टी हुई होगी इसको देखने के बाद. They must have been surprised. So this was actually a surprise. That's what we have been discussing in the beginning. Legal reasoning section, as I said, legal reasoning section was again the extension of current affairs, because most of the passages in legal reasoning section was actually not legal reasoning, it was just the current affairs sections with little bit the basic understanding of law, few concepts of legal concepts like absolute liability, strict liability, and all these things, right? So there was 8 passages, obviously lengthier. The passages were lengthy. If you're really good at reading, if you really practiced well, then only you can handle this all uh, in time. Otherwise, selection of the section will really make the difference. अगर आपने इंग्लिश पहले अटेम्प्ट किया है तो हो सकता है उनको थोड़ा आसान लगी हो बात, और जिन्होंने भी जीके और करंट अफेयर्स पहले अटेम्प्ट किया होगा उनको बहुत ज्यादा डिफिकल्ट लगी होगी चीजें. और लीगल रीजनिंग भी इसी तरह से काफी लेंदी था. So second difficult section was the legal reasoning section. If you talk about the lengthiness and the lengthier section. Coming back to logical reasoning section, it has 5 passages, 30 questions. जैसा कि पहले भी हमने मेंशन करा कि लॉजिकल रीजनिंग सेक्शन 20 around 28 questions were from the critical section. From in the logical reasoning section, critical reasoning questions were around 28. 2 questions were from an analytical side, but those critical reasoning section questions even has nothing to do with the critical reasoning much. It was all reading. You can say that's the reason I said that you can say that it was the extension of English section. If you know how to read a critical reading, you'll be able to answer the questions. The questions were easy, but the passages were lengthier. That's how it is. That's how the logical reasoning section was there. So otherwise, it was easy. It was doable. It was nothing, a very difficult thing here. In the logical reasoning section, it was again the extension of the English section only. So on that note, uh, if you attempted English section and the logical reasoning section first in the beginning, you could have the chances to do really good and better attempt. Then the last section, that is quantitative techniques, again had the 3 set of questions were there, 15 questions total, 5 each. In this section, there was some discrepancy in one section, the geometry one, you must be knowing. So you can, there was some discrepancy in that. Apart from that, this section was again easy. So one of the easiest section was the English section, logical reasoning section, and quantitative section. If you avoid that error part, so obviously that is disappointing that the CLAT consortium could not ensure that at least 150 questions are flawless, and they actually, there should not be any problem, because the students who attempted these questions, they must have wasted some time, 7 to 10 minutes, and that's waste for them, right? So on that note, obviously this is not expected from CLAT consortium, and that too, if you see, a lot of chaos this year in NLAT and all, again, the questions getting, kind of messy questions in quantitative aptitude techniques, that's not expected, but there were few errors in 3-4 questions that you can challenge. So on that note, the whole paper, CLAT 2020 paper, you can say moderate but very lengthy, but it was lengthy. If you must be very good at reading, then only you'll be able to attend. Otherwise, one section you must be compromising, right? So इसी वजह से मैंने बिगिनिंग में भी बोला था कि कौन सा सेक्शन पहले अटेम्प्ट कर रहे हो, कौन सा बाद में, ये काफी मायने रखा है इस बार, जो कि हमें पता नहीं होता पहले कि कौन सा सेक्शन डिफिकल्ट होगा, कौन सा लेंदियर होगा. तो जिन स्टूडेंट्स को ये लगता था कि नहीं करंट अफेयर्स और जीके वाला सेक्शन हम आसानी से कर लेंगे, कम टाइम में कर पाएंगे, ऐसा कुछ नहीं हुआ इस बार वाले में. दिस वाज द टफेस्ट सेक्शन, तो उन स्टूडेंट्स को इसमें दिक्कत भी हुई होगी, एंड दे वर मस्ट हैव बीन cut off guard, and that's what happened. Otherwise, the paper was moderate. It was on the lengthier side. That's what it said. If you talk about attempts, सी अब जनरल नॉलेज और करंट अफेयर्स जिन बच्चों ने किया होगा उनको काफी टाइम लगा होगा इसको अटेम्प्ट करने में, तो इस तरह से बाकी कोई ना कोई सेक्शन जरूर उन्होंने कॉम्प्रोमाइज किया होगा. तो हम ये बोले अगर सेक्शन वाइज अटेम्प्ट, तो इसलिए हम उस पर ज्यादा बात नहीं कर रहे हैं, बट टोटल 100 एंड अबव, if you attempted 100 and above, 100 plus, that could be considered a good attempt. in this paper, CLAT 2020 paper. The kind of paper it is, it was lengthier paper. If you attempted 100 and plus with good accuracy, that could be, a very good attempt. So some students have been saying that even they attempted around 110. That's the reason we have marked this 100 and 100 to 110 is very good attempt. Anything between 100 and 110 in this kind of paper. That's what I say. But otherwise, some of you who might have been lucky enough that this selected English language section first. They did English language section first, and then the logical reasoning, and then quantitative, and then went on doing legal and even the current affairs. उनके क्वेश्चन ज्यादा हुए होंगे, and that is the reason हम ये मान के चल रहे हैं कि 100 to 110 is the good attempt, the very good attempt, in fact, with good accuracy. That's all. Coming back to now section wise analysis, हम थोड़ा सा देखते हैं किस तरह से पैसेज आए थे. अब हम अगर इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज की बात करें, जैसा कि हमने अभी बात की, इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज के जो पैसेजेस थे, they were little lengthier side, they were little bigger in comparison to the sample paper question, sample paper passages. But again, the passages were easier and they were doable. So one passage was based on climate change, that was bigger one. There was another one, again, the boys locker room controversy, which we're very much familiar. This was in news. Again, that was okay passage. Newspaper passage was there. The night came slowly. Again, passage was based on that. The cat passage was based on this, around 450 words. And the case for the defense, again, the passage was based on that. And virtual reality, another passage was based on this kind, this. So there were few passages, as I said, that was lengthier, that was more lengthy, bigger ones, and fewer okay, right? So on that line, this section was lengthy, but otherwise doable. The questions were okay, and you can solve it, you can do it easily. So whomsoever attempted English section first, they must have got it, a good attempt in this one, timely. Coming back to logical reasoning section, as I said, that logical reasoning section was again the extension, you can say. Okay, here again the passages were there, and if you know the critical reading, if you can read and answer the properly, you'll be able to do it logical reasoning section. Logical reasoning section questions were easy, passages were easy, that were not very difficult, but yes, they were longer, they were lengthier. So passages were based on the social journalism, again, anti-alcohol movement, and the class 10 CBSE result के बारे में passage based था, and then the passage was based on work from home during the corona pandemic. Online classes were based passages tha, and few questions, three questions around were based on statement, conclusion, and assumption. So on that note, around 28 questions were critical reasoning questions, right? Only two questions were from the analytical side. So two questions, coding, decoding, and matrix-based questions were there too, which were the from the analytical side. So you can say that whole of logical reasoning section was easy, right? One of the easy section in the CLAT 2020 paper. So all the section, it was all about reading anyway, right? Which we have been discussing since the CLAT consortium's new pattern was out, the sample paper was out. So now coming back to legal reasoning section, as I said, this section was lengthier, but this section was the extension of current affairs. All those passages which were there in the legal reasoning section were very current passages. So you must have good understanding, क्योंकि इनमें से काफी चीजें डिस्कस हो चुकी थी, तुमने पढ़ा भी होगा, सब कुछ बिल्कुल न्यूज में भी था. There were the burning issues, so you must have gone through that all. You must have very good familiarity. That is really good. That's in your favor. So impact of COVID-19, that passes again, force majeure वगैरह पे passes था. Issue of obscenity passes was there. Again, the Palghar mob lynching. You must be knowing what happened in Palghar. Two people were going, in some function, and they were lynched. They were killed, and even police couldn't do anything. So on that, and then the passage was on the fundamental rights. Arnav Goswami case पे passes था. Vizag gas leak पे passes था. Article X post facto law. Again, Article 20. Clause 1 and common intention पे भी questions था. तो ये questions अगर हम लीगल की बात करें तो लीगल रीजनिंग जैसी कोई बहुत डीपर बात नहीं थी लीगल रीजनिंग में. इट वाज ऑल करंट बेस्ड पैसेजेस एंड सम बेसिक अंडरस्टैंडिंग ऑफ legal concepts like polluter based and even absolute liability and strict liability concepts were there involved. So fundamental rights concept was involved. This is all the basic understanding legal reasoning stuff. So there was nothing like as such reasoning in legal section. It was all about the current issues plus basic understanding of legal concepts. और जो कि हमने लीगल कॉन्सेप्ट्स हर स्टूडेंट्स ने बहुत अच्छे से किया होगा, चेंज के बाद भी इतने बेसिक कॉन्सेप्ट्स वही इन्वॉल्व थे. तो ये सेक्शन आसान था, लेकिन लेंदी पैसेज थे, पैसेज बड़े थे, एंड दैट माइट हैव बीन अ डिफिकल्टी फॉर यू, मोस्ट ऑफ यू. नाउ coming back to GK section and current affairs section, most of you, must be saying, I mean, this was the toughest segment actually, toughest section. But the passages were again national education policy पे based passes था, SARC meeting पे passes था, again लिपुलेख फास्ट के बारे में passes था जो कि again news में थी चीजें, लेकिन questions current affairs से थे, passages current segment से थे, ये कह सकते हो, लेकिन passages bigger थे और जो questions थे they were trickier. तो एक बार पढ़ के आंसर करना पॉसिबल नहीं था. That makes this section the most difficult one, the toughest one. Passes were based on the Rafale deal again. You can say the current section, current. You're very much familiar about the Rafale deal. Atmanirbhar Bharat, passes was based on that. RBI policy, again, passes was based on that. UAE and Israel relationship, international stuff, again, that was in news. And most of you must be aware because you have been doing current affairs. You've been reading newspaper, you have been doing current affairs section. After once the sample paper was out, actually, you were doing very rigorously. So most of the students must be familiar, must have been familiar with this section. But the problem is the passages were longer and the questions were trickier. So that makes this section the toughest. Quantitative techniques, as I said, the questions were easy, okay, on the expected line, but it's just that there was some, questions. If you talk about geometry, there was some discrepancy on that. The data were not proper. So on that base, data was not proper. But otherwise, this section was okay. This section was doable, and students who are not scared with mathematics, they must have done this well. Yes. उन स्टूडेंट्स ने जिन्होंने इन क्वेश्चंस पे जो गलत क्वेश्चंस थे इन पे टाइम वेस्ट किया है उनके लिए थोड़ा सा नुकसान है. अदरवाइज दिस सेक्शन वाज इजी, right? So coming back to CLAT 2020, what to do next? See, once now the paper is over, exam is over, so very soon the answer key will be out. So you'll get 1 day to actually challenge the questions, whatever the discrepancy you found in the paper. But apart from that, you have to be ready to block the seat again with 50,000 because 6th October to 7th October, the counseling, you have to be ready with 50,000 to block the seat. But otherwise, the result will be out, and after that, that's what this, you must go through the notification. क्योंकि रिजल्ट जो है हमारा आते ही उसके पहले तो आंसर की पहले मैच करने के बाद तुरंत तुम्हें you must actually challenge the questions immediately because you will not have much time. And then once the result is out, में से बहुत सारे students जो कि expect कर रहे हैं, they're going to make it. You should keep that ready. Counseling fee that much. But otherwise, one more news which I want to share with you, that you can change even your preference. You can redo the preferences. That's what they say. Update your NLU preference. ऐसा बोला है, you can provide a fresh set of NLU preferences. You can choose to provide all the NLUs, 22 of the UG and 19 for PG, or you can choose to give the preferences for those NLUs in which you are interested. Again, अगर तुम में से कुछ लोगों ने पहले preference नहीं दी हो तो preference फिर से दे सकते हैं. But again, see, preference में सारे NLUs को डालो, कुछ ही NLUs को नहीं. If you're aiming for top 5, तो सिर्फ top 5 को ही enter किया और बाकी NLUs को preference में नहीं डाला. So don't do it because otherwise you will not get the chance to get, if by any chance, if you don't get the admission in top 5 NLUs or top 3 NLUs, if you did not enter the other NLUs in the preference, there, so obviously you will not get the chance. You will not be given the chance to take admission. So don't take that chance. So if that's the only thing, but other don't. If you have already filled all the NLUs, in the on the priority list, you have already done that. Then you do not need to go ahead with this change anyway, right? That's all. Now wait for the answer key. Thank you so much. Yes, there would be CLAT Foundation batch. So one has already started. Uh, the other one will be starting on 18th of November after Deepavali. So you can again inform, and you can call on this number 9910053901. The students, you can inform all the students whoever wants to take the admission. That's all. Thank you so much.